Hey there guys, how are you all doing? This is your V-Bro from Tech Week team, and so today in this video we'll be taking a look at some of the awesome games that you can play on your beloved Phoenix OS. Don't worry, all these games in today's video are less than 200 megabytes and they run perfectly on Phoenix OS and they're free as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, as you might think, which version of Phoenix OS am I using and what's my specification of my PC and stuff like that? Don't worry, all the information that is needed for this video will be there in the description. So, on number one, we have a game which is known as Heyday, and it is by Supercell. This game is just like Clash of Clans, and basically you have a farm which you can do some really interesting stuff. Every action you perform, whether cutting down trees or make space for your expansion, baking bread, or selling items to the customers who wanders in and around, gives you stars. These are basically XP, and each time you level up, you get new crops, buildings, and products to play with. There is a social aspect of the game as well, so which you can hook up with your Facebook friends in order to trade with them and just visit their farms to see how they're doing. Check this out, the little gameplay of this beautiful game. Okay, so the next game that we have in our list is Badland. You might have heard about this awesome game, even though this is a game from 2017, but yet this game has some really satisfying graphics and sounds. This game runs perfectly fine on your Phoenix OS, and if you're interested in downloading these games that are there in this list directly, go to our website in the description down below. There you will find all the links of this game discussed, so just go ahead and just try it out. In this game, you can just play as a cute forest dwellers which you control by tapping to flap their wings. As the screen scrolls along through the dark and mysterious forest, so you can just take a look at the gameplay. You can start solo campaign and you're thrown right into the game to start exploring odd forests filled with dangerous traps, power-ups, and stuff like that. Just check out this little gameplay of this game. Okay, so on number 3, we have a racing game which is also known as Beach Buggy Racing 2. This is the latest version of Beach Buggy Racing and it runs perfectly on Phoenix OS. With all the settings cranked up to high, this game just runs with 60 FPS and without any lags and whatsoever. The game has cartoonish graphics, yet it looks really beautiful and you should definitely try this out. Racing is fairly standard. Choose a character, vehicle, and a track and then compete against 5 opponents in the race to finish. Just you would expect, there are items like missiles and speed boosters that you can use to knock out other players and just win the match. And also, it's just like Mario Kart, there is an annoying rubber banding mechanism that ensures that the first place and the last place are never that far away from each other, and it just works fine. So for more details, please check out the gameplay. Okay, so number 4 on our list, we have a fighting game that just came around this year and it runs like a king on Phoenix OS. So the name of the game is Shadow of Dead 2. It's Shadow of Death 2, yeah. So Shadow of Death 2 continues the story of Maximus, a warrior with a cleansed memory. He wanders in the dark fighting demons to bring back light of Aurora, the land he once lived, to rescue the ones he loved. So it's really heroic story. The controls of this game are really good, and even Phoenix OS, and you can just easily map them with the help of Game Helper, no matter if you're using keyboard or if you're using gamepad. I would suggest all these playing games, all these Android games that I'm just showing you on this list, you should use a gamepad, and if you have a keyboard, it just works pretty well as well. And so check this gameplay out. Like always guys, if you want to download these games, just go to the link in the description, which will take you to our website where you can read everything up in detail, and also there will be the trailer of these games as well. So what are you waiting for? Just go out there and just download this game up. And number 5th we have for the month of August is Total Conquest by Gameloft. This game is just like Clash of Clans but with some better graphics and overall mechanism. It looks great, trust me. The citizens that make up your Roman town and the buildings you create to produce resources are 3D but so rich, colored and detailed that you would be forgiven for thinking that they were drawn by hands. The UI is clear and gives you clean view of actions. Little special effects mark a new building being created or an improvement being made, so you just go ahead and try this out. This runs really well, trust me. I am recording as well as playing this game and there is no lag or whatsoever. Check this little gameplay out. There are many more games to be discovered that are playable on our Phoenix OS. If you know some of the awesome games that you play on your Phoenix OS rather than PUBG, please let me know in the comment box down below, and I will be surely including those titles in the next video in the month of September. So please do let me know the kind of games that you play on your Phoenix OS. Do ping me on my Discord or my Instagram if you face any issues or if you have some doubts. My Instagram as well as my Discord ID will be splashing up in the screen right now, so please go ahead and follow me out there as well. That's pretty much it guys. If you really loved this video, do subscribe, do hit the like button, and have a great day, and God bless you all. Thank you.